Ahoy, shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers, and people who live in Duluth, Georgia. What a lousy place to live. Wait, no, it's a wonderful place to live. Duluth, Georgia. I'd move there in a second. Yeah, cross fingers. Okay, what we're going to do today in the office, if you remember Boris and I had a big fight, and I managed to kill him and break off a tusk and almost chew off all of his ears. But he'd been hanging up for about 5 years over a doorway. And of course he's collected grease and he's collected dirt and all. So I'm going to clean him up today, and then we're going to hang him right over there. Now, this is probably going to be a longer video than usual, so what I'm going to do is I'll just speed it up, and make it go faster. But before I start, I'm going to put on one of my shop aprons over here so I don't get my Captain Jack shirt messed up and dirty. Brand new one, never been used. I got some out in the barn that I have used, but they're pretty dirty. Now, first I got to synchronize the 4 cameras sound. Okay, so I didn't do that. There, that sound wave will be up on all 4 cameras, and you line the sound waves up, and that synchronizes all of that. So here we go. We're going to get started. I'm going to start out by using a toothbrush, and we're going to do. Woo! Dirty, my goodness. Actually, you know what we ought to do? We ought to fix his ears first. Hot glue gun, y'all. Maybe. Okay, we got that ear glued down. Now this one's not as bad as the other one was. It's bad, but not as bad. Well, these hot glue guns are neat. I don't get to use them very often. But I know that a lot of people do. And here's this one. Okay, we're going to unplug the hot glue gun. Okay, I'm going to move my chair, this chair over here. Oh, and we're going to start cleaning Boris. I'm not going to clean these ears till last, okay? Okay, now for the coup de grace, the final touches on him. Jimmy just reminded me, or just showed me, that the fluorescent light is on. So I'm probably looking really red, and this is looking strange, but that's okay because heck with it. I'm not going to redo it. I can't put the dirt back. Ahoy, shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers, and everybody else. So here, what we're going to do, oh, wait a minute. A schoolmarm bell or a town crier bell. Remember those? Oh, by the way, in the United States, years and years ago, you had to have a man walking in front of your horseless carriage with a red light, a flag, or a bell. So, now, 8 bells on the morning watch. It means it is 8 a.m. Okay. Today we're going to go ahead and we repaired Boris. Remember all that. Now we're going to hang Boris. And we're going to have to hang him up here on this solid wall piece because of his weight. You put him here and he just fell out. And so now we're going to put him up there. So hold on just a second. Thank you so much for watching. Captain Jack, First Mate Jenny, Billy Bones, the parrot and his family, and a bunch of other things like that, saying A-D-Os.